Ever typed data in Excel only to realize half the words are misspelled? What if I told you that Excel can fix that in seconds automatically? Stick around because today I'll show you how to turn messy text into polished perfection.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
So here you can see that I have the data in which I have different grocery items, and some of the grocery items are misspelled. For example, you can see that the spelling of the onions are not correct. Similarly, the spelling of the butter and some other items are also not correct. And you know that while typing like Word, Excel do not notify that the spellings are correct or not. So how we can notice them and make correction? For this purpose, first I need to select this data and then I have to press F7 from my keyboard. Now this will open the spelling correction wizard. Here you can see that the first mistake in my data is highlighted and suggestions are given by the Excel to change it because it looks correct. So I'll press change. Then the next mistake, again the Excel is suggesting the correction, so I'll press change. And in the same way, I'll make correction in my whole document. Once it is done, Excel will notify that spell check is complete and now you are good to go. If this tutorial helped you clean up your data and save time, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Excel tips. Got questions or want more tutorials? Drop a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.